The more you feed it, the longer it live, you know. You give one drink, it dead.
Good all.
You don't know your boys Jnel. Welcome to episode 13 of the questions, and today we're in a sentence be. And you know, as usual, we are gonna ask 3 questions to each person. And you don't know the way the vibes nice, the vibes everything, and the way the water move. You know, I can't wait for move. Episode 13, sentence be. MG, just give me a name.
Jordan.
My name is Philip.
Greg. Your name, I take them call man.
Clifton Anderson.
Yeah, man. Fruits, man, no?
Fruits man.
DM21.
Yeah, man, got that stinger at it, man. Can't find me anywhere with it.
Tanu. Ernish.
Danik.
Shelly Belly. Shelly Belly.
Yes.
The real Shelly Belly or the fake Shelly Belly?
The fake one.
You know, so they call me Supreme Chino.
Frenchie.
More you feed it, the longer it live. You give one drink, dead.
No life that, man. The more you feed life, no more you live, man.
But when you drink, you're not dead.
When you drink, what?
With one drink and you're dead. Yeah. More you feed it, longer you live. One drink and you're dead. Mint.
What?
More you feed it, longer it live.
With one drink.
And it dead. That sound like a plant.
Yeah, no. I don't know that, brother.
I don't know, Andy.
No, pass money when I get me Jnel.
I never heard that one before. To be truthful, I never heard that one before.
More you feed it, so. Repeat it.
You taught me?
No man, it's hot like that's it. No? What?
More you feed it. What, plant, or something? Yo, I don't know that one there, no.
Boy, question they hard to the family.
Tea. Tea.
No man.
Juice. Juice.
I don't know that the one there.
More you feed it, you live. One take it water, you dead. Car. And the more you feed it, the longer it live, you know. You give one drink, it dead.
Good all too.
Me give you answer still, you know. The answer is fire.
Fire.
The more you feed the fire and you give one drink, you don't know, yeah. What's in front of woman and behind cow?
Behind co.
Yeah.
Sure.
Front of a woman, I must double that. What's in front of a woman and behind a cow?
My mother. Harder. Harder than behind the cow, but a vagina than before woman.
A pussy man.
Like a real.
Double.
Right. At them question there. Yeah. A vagina, man. Eh? I know. What you say?
Why are we? You know them question you had, me not lie.
Belly. Belly. No man, belly lay behind cow man. What's in front of a woman and behind a cow?
Oh, yeah, man.
God.
Double.
Long and hard and us coming it. You see?
What? Has what?
Comedy.
Coming it.
Community. Community.
What's long and hard and have the word come in it?
Come in it.
Can't answer that question, you know. I don't know it.
What's long and hard and that's come in it? Long and hard and has come in it. Long and hard and have come in it. God, the well, long and hard and it has come in it.
Yeah.
You see, on a communication,
No man.
on a computer.
Long and hard, and that's coming it.
Yeah.
Why we don't want to go the other way now? School long and hard and have coming night. Long and hard and have coming night. Long and hard and have coming night. What we don't do?
Business.
Business.
Yeah, business, may I say. Long and hard and that's coming in. Yeah.
Business.
Yeah, business, because business are now, business is a long-term thing, the same way, you understand?
Yeah.
So, and you have all of it coming in the same way, like what you have to say.
Sure, no, similar no when they do. No one has certain things by videos.
Long and hard.
What's long and hard and has come in it?
Me can't say first thing that come to my mind. I have to think about it. Because next thing I go,
And has come in it. Understand? What? No, I have to think about that one. Yeah.
what, me don't know. Me don't remember.
I don't know. Peter Chairman, what's long and hard man and has come in it?
Well, I don't know. You know what's long and hard. I made the thing long and hard. You know, see it. So I don't know. You know, see it. I tell you.
I don't know. Peter Chairman, what's long and hard man and has come in it?
Long and hard have come in it. You're the man. You're a man, and I know what that.
No man, I don't know. Why you feel me know one? People them know man like who I watch. But them know man.
Boy, the one that's son tricky in a family. Jano. Kian. Yeah.
Alright, so all the females, them, what long and hard have come in it? Because I know no matter watch this and I laugh after it, and but you know it's stallion, though. Hey,
Stallion.
Hey, yeah, man.
Long and hard. On the hard says,
Think about it, answer man.
Board. Board.
I don't know.
You say you don't know.
No.
What's long and hard and
has come in it.
has come in it.
Yeah.
If you say it, has come in it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I can't say that part TV or me, I say.
What you gonna say?
What am I say now? Penis.
say it again.
What's long and hard and has come in it?
That's coming out. A wood man.
Wood.
La wood na girl that now.
Come here, come. What's long and hard and has come in it?
The boss wood.
Alright, boss.
Who the woman they love?
Eh?
Who the woman they love?
And hard.
And has come in it.
And has come. Why don't the tricky boss? Tricky.
Alright, may I give you the answer for you?
Yeah.
A cucumber man.
Cucumber.
Yeah.
Right.
See that?
Boy.
Yeah. Imagine you're in a boat. You're in a boat, yeah, you're in a boat and it's a sink. And it's surrounded by sharks. How would you escape?
How am I escape? Yeah. Now go down with the boat.
Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel, and welcome to episode 14 of the questions. And a long time people say, yo, you need to go to the place. So watch out now, with the other place today, Montego Bay. Girl Tigo Bay! Loud! 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 Hear me I say no? You know as usual, kick out the vibes. You know so I can't wait to move. You get me? Alright, my G, first thing what you do, just give me a name.
Shane.
Shane.
Yeah, man.
Gregory.
Sabrina.
That's Shane.
Richard.
Frost.
Delia. Keisha.
Yeah, Dean, my name, man.
Corey. My name Welch.
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 Alright.
Javia.
You know what Jeremy, my name, man?
Jeremy.
My name tag.
Oh, they pay your name tag.
I'm Anna.
Ronaldo.
Jordan.
Most people know me as Bam Bam Bartley or Delta Devil.
Delta Devil.
Delta Devil. People only see that as a Delta Devil thing, but you know, brother, a Jamaica with it. And we are the Jamaicans, and we don't care what our people feel. When tourists come here, they might be whichever country they come from. But me as a Jamaican, may go be a Jamaican. So I will be the person who is a Jamaican.
Which two words put together has the most letters?
Why I want the sound difficult, you know. I want the really difficult. I want the difficult, my boy.
Give it a try, man.
Well, why me that say what? Accomplishment.
Pardon me?
Eh? Which two words put together has the most letters?
I'm gonna think about it.
What two words put together, right? Has the most letters?
Malaz. Malaz. What two words put together? Upaz.
What, interstate communication? Which two words put together have the most letters?
No.
Which? Boy, I'm not get that one.
Post office.
Most letter. Rockman, yo, yeah, chop the for my yo.
What try and go wrong, so you don't make no sense, man. We don't know.
I let them make words.
Yeah, but which two words put together has the most letters?
Yo, give me next way around. Which letter make two words?
Me whole alphabet, more answer, I don't know, like.
It's a lot of letters that. Interstate communication.
No, man. Yo, I'm going to give you an answer. You want to try again?
Well, better you give it the observation before you give it this.
You serious?
Word put together have the most letter.
Hey, man.
A.
What I said? C still. Hold on. C.
Two words put together, you know, has the most letters.
What has the most letters? E. E.
E. Imagine you're in a boat, right?
Yeah.
And the boat has sink.
Yeah.
And it's surrounded by sharks.
Yeah.
How would you survive?
We can't escape, man.
Why?
Now the boat not sink, man. I'll never escape. When I got there, Sean, I got there, man.
We can't escape.
You sure?
Try swim with.
Play dead. Kill the shark.
Imagine it in a one boat. Stop imagine.
Stop imagine. Go on the shop.
Yes, they go on the shot back.
Yes.
Why, me I tell you, Mudafi, why, I want next difficult one that again, come, boy, I don't know how me I escape, trust me to God, I don't know.
Take someone, stab him up.
I want it difficult, I want to come for me away, I want to come for me sudden with that one day, I need a meds for that one day, you have me for that one day, weak.
Oh, no, the kid is not a bad dad.
If a rat, squirrel, a monkey, a race up a coconut tree, which one of them get the banana first?
Rat, squirrel, and monkey.
One rat, one squirrel, and one monkey. Which one of them get the banana first?
A monkey, man.
Why?
Monkey can't jump, man. Jump up in it, man. Squirrel have a crawl.
Hold on, you say one coconut tree, so them not gonna get banana.
Not the monkey star.
Why?
Kind of know say I meal that and he not make nobody first him to it, man.
Monkey.
Why?
Can't eat fast and can't swing on. Monkey.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
It's a coconut tree, so none of them not gonna get no banana.
Rat.
Why?
I rat more faster.
Monkey. Why?
Monkey can't climb tree best.
Most likely a few monkey.
Well, the monkey have to get the banana first because everybody knows that banana is a monkey's fruit. Monkey's favorite food. If it was a nut, the squirrel would have get it first.
Oh yeah, for true, banana and grow up on coconut tree, and that's what they say. Free, me. Sorry, my
but
bad.
if it's a banana in a coconut tree, the monkey have to get it first.
Banana can't grow up on coconut tree.
But if you put a banana in a coconut tree, the monkey will get it first.
I know I say I squirrel.
No, say more than say a rat still.
No, hold on. Ask the question again.
If a rat, squirrel, and a monkey are race up the coconut tree, which one of them get the banana first?
Brother, a coconut tree, them a go up. And a banana tree.
Now ask you our next one, right? There's a rat, a squirrel, and a monkey, right? They might race up the coconut tree. Which one of them get the banana first?
Monkey.
Why?
Wait, talk again, talk.
There's a rat, a squirrel, and a monkey, right? I race up the coconut tree. Which one of them get the banana first?
Them a race up the coconut tree. Which one get the banana first?
No banana in the coconut tree, you know. So none of them can't get in. I must be coconut up there, you know. How you make banana turn in an idiot for how long, you know? You have to listen.
Coconut in the coconut tree. If it is a banana tree, which one get the coconut first?
Yeah.
For real, me I tell you, monkey not make nobody first him to a meal, man. That I monkey thing that. Straight.
Trying to get the banana first? What kind of tree? Coconut tree?
Yeah.
Coconut tree? And get rat and mouse in a coconut tree? And get banana? Yeah, I don't understand that. You have a Jai show me. Jai show me.
You're wrong, you know.
Why?
Because the coconut tree, you can't get banana for coconut tree.
Alright.
What full of hole, but still can hold water?
Vagina.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel, and welcome to episode 15 of the questions. And right now we're in a Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. You get to me and say, yo, are you Mr. Mandeville, though?
I'm Mr. Wonder, my friend.
Brother, what are you doing, I said that?
Virgin, me everywhere. My name Q1s, you see me? Yeah, man. Follow me on Instagram, dog. Q1s876. You see me, I say?
Q-Bands876. Ah, I see how good, my general. Yeah, man, up. Yeah, peeps, so let's start the show. As you know, as usual, yo, me get anxious some of the time and I just can't. First thing I do, just give me a name.
Destin.
Nicole.
Name J.
Barbie.
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 Barbie, you hear that? Barbie.
Phantom.
Oh, they call me Ed. They call me Ed.
Ed?
Yeah.
Why?
Why me don't know, must be born this small, so me don't know. They call me Ed, so now me Ed big, so me I wonder me still have that name there.
Yeah, man, I'm in here, Mad Spain, man. You don't know in a sun in a rain, man.
Mad Spain.
Yeah.
Shaquille Foster.
Preston.
Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo.
Yeah, hear that again.
Woo, 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 woo.
Nia.
Oh, you know, say Jeremy and otherwise broken.
Broken?
Yeah, broken, you see me?
So, Andy broken or something?
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
Question now, right? What's full of holes, but still holds liquid?
But full of hole, but still hold liquid?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, some don't know that one there, though.
Go on, think about it.
May I think, wait, may I think.
A whole heap of thing where you're full of whole water. You have some drum bean hole and it's still whole water. See here, panas and eso.
What full of hole, you know, but still whole water?
I don't know that one there.
Or full of hole but still whole water. I don't know that one there.
On the sound new, I never hear it.
Full of hole, but still. I don't know.
Sponge. Sponge.
Yeah, man. I give it a try, I want to give you an answer.
Give me an answer, bro.
Sponge, man.
Oh, shit.
Ocean. Ocean. Vagina.
What full of...
Road.
Huh?
Road.
Road. What's full of holes, right? Yeah. But still hold liquid. You know, see, you have a pint? You know, see, I have a pint?
Sponge. I don't know.
But full of water still can hold water. Let me see her now. But I want that now, Father God. And it might be difficult for my brother. I'm not telling you that.
Sip.
Eh?
Sip full of hole, I don't know if you can hold water. But full of hole and still can hold water.
Yeah.
No one hole. Why? It's true, me a weed man, I don't remember that still, I tell you the truth.
Yeah.
No hole.
Hole?
Well, I like it. Yeah, I don't know that.
Alright.
Let me see. Road. Eh? Road. The road. Yeah. Yeah, man, you have a pint like Jamaica full of hole, but still can hold water.
Vagina.
You serious?
Vagina.
What you say?
What full of hole and can hold water?
Yeah.
No things.
Like what?
Vagina.
Vagina?
Yeah.
No. Which is correct, right? Penguin fly or penguin flies?
Penguin flies.
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 Fly. Penguin can't fly. Penguin can't fly.
Which is correct?
Wait, say penguin fly
Or penguin flies?
I don't know. None of them.
Penguin can't fly.
Penguin can't fly.
Penguin can't fly. None.
None. Because penguin can't fly.
None.
Why?
Because penguin can't fly.
Penguin fly.
Yeah, or penguin flies.
Penguin fly.
Penguin no fly, no flies. Penguin flies.
Why?
I just guess from my mind.
Which is correct, right? Penguin fly or penguin flies?
If penguin fly
or penguin flies, which one of them correct?
At the time I come out, I sit there more while I see them fly. Penguin how you talk, so I sit there and fly.
One where they pan snowman, one of them go pan snowman and them slide on the snow. And them black and white.
Not even two I know what you talk about now, that penguin.
Yeah.
So they can sit there and fly you talk.
Fly, man.
Eh?
Fly.
Fly? What can you hold without touching it?
Ja.
Eh?
Ja.
Jack?
Ja. Rastafari.
You know, I'm hold my head, but I'm not touch it. I'm not answer.
Think about it now, what can you hold without touching it?
Give you one answer already.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, you can answer now.
That one to. Say no answer.
Yeah, nah.
Think about it, man. What can you hold without touching it?
Life.
Eh?
The life.
What can you hold without touching it?
Grudge.
Grudge? Yeah, my boss, what you say?
Can't go on with the faith, you know? Can't go on with the faith.
Say, go on with the faith.
John know what? John know that one is stiff. But you say, never breeze, you can't hold.
What can you hold without touching it?
John know that one is tight, my boss. That one is tight, my general. No, like.
So, not even give it a try?
Not even.
Your hand nice. Yeah, no. Your hand, your finger nice.
Yes, sir.
Your finger. Your hand.
Hole. Hole.
Yeah, like, what can you hold without touching it?
I don't know that one either.
Is that your final answer?
Can't hold without touching.
You say you go whatever.
No. That one is complicated.
I don't really know that one. This.
Yeah.
Yes, every answer, every question.
Vibes.
Life.
Feelings. When you want my feelings then.
Yes, sir, when you hold the feelings, them.
Of course.
Yes, sir, you can get that one there? Alright, you get that one there.
Feelings.
Yeah, you say you can hold a meds, you know, but you can't touch it.
I don't smoke for all our meds, because you say I smoke, I don't hold no meds. I have a free mind.
Yeah, no. I would have myself that alone to brother, I would have to hold and not touch myself.
Yeah.
You see me? But I must myself alone. You know, see when I feel hold and not touch, you see me?
You can't hold it without you have to touch it.
You say give up?
Yeah, man.
You want the answer, you want to get a try?
Give me an answer, man.
A conversation, man.
Yeah, Bijah.
Boom.
Alright.
Is it?
Ah, shit.
M-A-S.
M-A-S is a mass. And AG. AG, yeah, age. You put them two words together, what you get?
Message.
Message?
Yeah.
M-E-S is a message, bad man.
Yeah.
M-A-S is a mass.
Yeah.
And AG, yeah, age. You put them two words together, what you get?
Oh, message.
Jnel shock tuk Jnel shock tuk. Watch out already, you know. Yeah, you have video already? Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel. And right now we travel hills, we travel valley, we travel miles. You get me? Right now we're in Portland with episode 16. Me so come, I finish. I go move. As you can see, people are calling me. You see me, so? Yep. I want to get you the answer.
Angelo Davis, you can find me on Instagram at online shopping. You can find my personal page at D_15.
Brandon Costley.
You know, sir, Dante.
Dushan, bro.
Tara.
Red rice.
Red rice? Where you get that name there?
You know, from my primary school, all of you grew up and then just stick on me, because I like rice. So I just work with that name there. So if volleyball come now, I red rice then call it.
Jalil.
My name's Vanessa.
Vanessa?
Yeah.
Alright, Vanessa.
Juvenile.
So that again?
Juvenile.
Ducks well done.
Ducks?
Well done.
Cool, man. Yeah, man, big up yourself, G. Up, man, up. Yeah, man, we're there, you know? Yes, sir, we ask you two questions to her. Go on, Alright, two on. Alright, watch out now. First question now. What has a head, a tail, but nobody?
Me not know.
Me not know that.
Head and a tail, and nobody. That's difficult.
Kind?
See how fast the man get that one, brother?
Tail, but nobody. No, kind.
I don't know. A head, a tail.
But it don't have nobody.
Me don't know.
What is a head and tail and nobody?
Kind.
Kind?
No, kind, man. You don't know. You want Geeta try or you want me to tell you the answer?
Tell me, because, you know, when you do that something there, and you see you look at something and tricky.
Alright, there.
What have a head and tail and no body?
Yeah.
A tail. Don't have a tail and a head. But have a body.
Head, a tail, but nobody.
No, that one the tight, you know.
One kind, man.
Yeah.
One kind.
Yeah, man. It's a flipping kind. It's a flipping kind, man. Yeah.
Kind.
Alright, that's the first one, so you get the first one right. Next one now. What has 4 wheels and flies?
4 wheels and flies. 4 wheels and flies. 4 wheel. No, plane have 6.
One plane? One plane have 4 wheel or 3 wheel, one plane have?
Plane.
4 wheel and fly. That's still difficult, it's real hard.
4 what? 4 wheels and flies.
I don't know.
Think about it, man. I can't just give up some G.
4 wheels and fly. I don't know that.
We have 4 wheels and flies.
Plane have 4 wheels and fly too.
Yeah, but me don't know if I plane. Well, me say plane, you know.
4 wheel and fly. Garbage truck.
4 wheels and fly. That sound like one cat, no? Because you know, say cat ever full of fly, no? And a 4 wheel too.
Cat?
Yeah, and cat. I thought wrong still.
Next question, next question.
No, man, you have to give it a try, man. You can't.
4 wheel and fly. Plane have up. 4 wheel and fly. No, sir.
Rubbish truck. Rubbish truck.
It's a rubbish truck.
A 4 wheel and full of fly.
Yeah, man. I like that, man. Yeah, man.
Wait, let me see that one now.
What has 4 wheels and flies? Huh?
4 wheeler. Rubbish truck.
Alright.
4 wheel and fly.
What has 4 wheels and flies?
Garbage truck.
Hey, I don't want to guitar on the more and say.
Tell me.
4 wheel and fly. Garbage truck.
MAS is a must, right? MAS is a must, right? And AGE is H. You put them 2 words together, what you get? MAS is a must, right? And AGE is H. What is MASSAGE?
MASSAGE?
Yeah.
Message?
Message. Message.
Message.
Yeah, message. No, message. Wait. No, message here, man.
No massage, man.
Massage?
Yeah.
See that? The man get everything right, brother. You see that?
No
Big
buff
up.
BI school, me go on.
What?
No buff BI school, me go on, so yes, pay.
Me gone.
Massage.
2 words together.
Yeah.
Come again. Repeat.
MAS is a must.
Yeah.
And AGE is H.
Yeah.
You put them 2 words together, what you get?
Massage.
You know, say I want to give you the answer.
Give me winnings. Are we in here juvenile? You hear that?
Really? No massage.
You put them 2 words together, what you get?
Oh, message.
You're serious?
Me don't know that.
Massage, man.
Message.
Massage.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Massage.
Massage?
Eh?
Massage?
Yeah, massage, you know, but I get it wrong the first.
No, massage. No,
You said
no,
message.
you have to delete that part.
Alright, we're gonna delete it. Nah, delete nothing. And now, one more left, man. If MAS is a must, right? And AGE is H. You put them 2 words together, what you get?
Message.
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 Yeah, a message you want me saying, but me not say that.
Message, man. Message.
Sure.
100%.
100% sure.
Message. Message.
Tell the camera say you're 100% sure.
So, like, wrong, bro?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Spell message for me.
MASSAGE. Message.
No, man. I massage that, brother.
Massage. Bowel. Yes, real. Yes, real. Yes, real.
Yeah, peeps. Thanks for watching episode 16 of the questions. And you don't know, say, yo, we're there in a Portland. You get to me and say, we travel from we over there, so you get me, people. Watch out now, want to look out for the Jnel Squad t-shirts. You get me, they are coming soon. So if you're a true JNL comedy supporter, we know you're getting Jnel Squad t-shirt, don't it? Price is not out yet, but look out for it. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like on the video. You don't know, click the notification bell at the same time, and just continue to support we in a little show thing, because you don't know, say, we are go all over, we are go all out, and we're not done it. You get me, because we're not do half of Jamaica yet. So watch out, peeps, you don't know your boy JNL. I'm out.
Well, you don't know now, Kingfield represent for J O'Neill comedy, you don't know, you know.
JNL.
Oh.
JNL.
JNL comedy. Laugh non-stop. Laugh off for the joke to you, see me. I want you to big up my page. Kingfield Music, Instagram. Hunt for mine, hungry time. Tell the boss, hurt me, I come for mine, I'm gone. Big up J O'Neill. Big up. JNL comedy. Laugh off for that again.
Which room? Think about it. Which room have no wall?
Living room, man.
Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel peeps, and welcome to episode 17 of the questions over there in a junction, St. Elizabeth. You get what I say? So, watch out now, you see that episode now? You see if you get all the answer right, you get a chance to get a Nel Squad t-shirt, you see? Nel Squad. The merch, them ready?
What are you doing?
Brother, Cubans, hold on, Cubans 876.
That way you don't follow me?
You are follow me, brother?
No, man, I don't have to put out some posters for my party in my G.
Party?
Yeah, man. Rock City, I keep a party up a girl living, man. Party named 50 Shades of Red, and a baddest party, I gotta keep a girl living.
Alright, so like how we always see you?
Yeah.
Guess what we are going to do?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you some questions today. You have to answer some questions today. So what you know? Alright, let's say I would. I'm still forward. Mad. Yeah, peeps. So, you don't know the vibes there already, as you can see. Cubans 876, they're all about. We see the man and man. I'm going to show you a piece of the clip right now. When you subscribe, just hit the notification. Cool, man. Big up, man, me G.
Good, me G.
Yeah, man, me good, man. We are shot the outro, you know?
Why are them in a jail?
Mad. Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. You get to me and say, yo, are you me see a man there, though?
I'm see a one dog, I pray.
Brother, what you doing, I said that?
Virgin, me everywhere. My name Q1 you see me? Yeah, man. Follow me on Instagram, dog. Q1 876. You see me, I say?
Q1 876.
Yeah.
I see how my general. Yeah, man. Up. Yeah. So what you know, we kick it off right now. You don't know as usual. I just can't wait for. You know what? I'm not getting no trouble this time. I'm gone. Boss. First thing I do, I'll just give me a name.
Yeah, man, Gary.
Javi Jones.
You know, it's Jordan, known as the Jemp Boss, one of the CEO co-founders of Jemp Awards. Just invite each and everyone to come out this Sunday, Oasis Cafe Junction. It's all about Jemp Awards, the Inspire Design and Jemp Media launch, crowning the champions. So just roll out this Sunday, Oasis Cafe Junction, St. Elizabeth, Jemp Awards. Check it out.
My name is Shevan.
Ryan.
My name is British.
British?
Yes.
So I'm assuming that you come from England, right?
No, I'm from Jamaica. Tanya.
Newman. Dave Thompson.
Yeah, man, I am DJ News, the port of the girls of approach.
What?
Michael.
My name is Shevan.
Ryan.
Alia. Alicia. Kim.
You know, DJ Skibo, Top Gregor. You know what I think?
DJ what?
Skibo, Top Gregor.
The first question, alright? What have 4 legs, 1 head, and 1 foot?
You don't know, you know?
Dog. A dog. Same thing what she said? Yeah, dog.
A building? A building or a storehouse or something?
Battle, I don't know. One battle, yes, because the first one I battle on the car, the head part is up. Pen.
Pen?
Yes.
I want mathematics we go sort out that, no. I want things we go sort out that, I know me sort out that thing.
Yeah. I'm also an animal, man. An animal.
Animal?
You can be a goat, you can be a cow 1 foot tall, yeah, and 4 foot and a head.
You say you can be a goat or a cow?
Yeah, or a cow.
Ruler. Ruler.
You want a bed?
Yeah, man, alright.
No bed, man.
What get bigger and bigger, the more you take away from it.
David, you have to get one right. Come on. What get bigger and bigger every minute.
Don't look like I don't spot national TV, you know.
Give up that one again, you know. Give up. Yeah, man.
Get right here, man. Shit.
What get bigger and bigger, the more you take away from it.
Yeah.
Franco.
No, sir, the one they had.
Age. Age.
Well, me a no maths man, you know, me a English man. So, me can't match up that.
No, none of them question. I'm weak to them question. You want to look easy, but they hard to pick out. Easy?
Brownie, I don't know.
Money. Money. All they get bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger. Money.
It's a money?
Yeah.
Well.
Alright. Asheem tell her still about
Bigger. How much whole?
Jesus Christ, big up yourself, my boss.
I don't know, use the question, my boss. The question, they were rough. Remind me we had the CXC, I say, yo, Jado maths, we have to come out of the class.
Yeah. The next one now. Which room have no wall?
Which room have no wall?
Yeah.
Which room have no wall?
The one on a bill. The one on a bill. The one on a bill. Because no bill is just no bill. Yeah. Can't recall on that. That's bigger than me. That is so hypothetical.
Boy, I don't know, you know.
What you make?
Eh?
What you make?
Yes, what you make? Which room has no wall?
Outside. Outside.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe. Oh shit, my chest is going.
Match the box.
Which room has no wall? I don't know.
No one's mushroom? Which room have the wall?
Yeah.
Which room have the wall? Room, wall. Then question they are mad with.
Boy, if you don't get...
I'm thinking. I don't know.
Which room has no wall?
Yeah, come.
You lie, you but to the question I got asked. You say ugly. Which room have no wall? Me hear that one there already, you know? No wall. Wait. Which room has no wall?
I have no idea. You have to tell me just like a while ago. You can learn.
Me give up.
Back room.
You're serious?
No. How much mushroom?
You're right, man. Right, you want me to get an answer still? Right. The mushroom, man.
Eh?
Mushroom.
Mushroom?
Alright, that one is easier. That one is easier.
Wanna get up on the camera? Okay then.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright. The mushroom, man.
Eh?
Mushroom.
Mushroom? Well, that oblivious to me, signify I'm not aware.
Okay. Alright, my boy. Yeah, peeps. See that man get 2 out of 3. You don't know, so you have to give him a t-shirt, don't you? The Nail Squad t-shirt. So if you don't want to know one, you know, forget it though. Yes, my boss.
Yeah, man. Respecting every aspect.
Yeah, man. Alright, big up. Alright. Yeah, peeps. Thanks for watching the next episode of the questions. You don't know, so we're in a junction, St. Elizabeth. Vibes was good. Everything was good. Watch out, peeps. The merch, them finally out. The Nail Squad t-shirt, them finally out. See that? You see that? Nail Squad. Only $2,000 people. You get me I say? If you send it and thing, yeah, I'm going to put it in the description. Details, I got in the description. What more want to do? Follow me on Instagram. Jnel official Buhn_1. I want to follow the cameraman too, because I'm there in the streets too. Buhn_reaction. But never say bull, no. They say Buhn, which is B-U-H-N. You get that? Yeah. Check out the comedy video them, because we are do comedy from a long time. From 2013, we are do it. Some local comedy skits, so when you can just go down on the page and say all of the video them. You get me? I say, you don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out. What never ask a question, but always get an answer.
My mother.
Yeah, you don't know your boy Jnel peeps, and right now we're there with episode 18 of the questions. And watch out, we're there Yui today. Because a long time people say, yo, we need to go Yui, make we see what's going on over there. And watch out today, we are give you a 3 shirt, courtesy Rodney boys from out of London. The man say, yo, I need 3 shirts. And I say, alright, yeah, PayPal such and such. And the man say, yeah, I see them 3 shirts there, more you give them. So watch out, big up boys from out of London. They get to me and say, this is episode 18 of the questions. And you don't know, say as usual. Yo, we're gone. Alright, first thing what I do, just give me a name.
Sidane. Yannick.
Ronaldo Young.
Shannon.
Ashani, Bernard. Renard Steven.
Colin, V-Loan.
Huh?
V-Loan.
V-Loan?
Yeah. V-Loan.
The last name letter?
Yeah, V-Loan.
V-Loan.
Trafford Clark. Kieran.
Treasure, Mikhail Treasure.
Perry Cummins. Perry Cummins Jr.
Alright, next.
Aquino. Jordan.
Rico. Jeremy and Aston.
Rakisha. Octavia.
Tavon. David.
So I never give you next name?
Mr. Smooth.
No, your next name?
Flathead.
Flathead, alright.
Alright, my name is Dale Elliott.
No, I that one know about that. The next name, bad man.
Oh, my name is Anthony Dale Elliott.
No, like the other one.
Ellie the Viner.
Yes, that one there. What never asks a question, but always get an answer.
What never asks a question but always gets an answer? A rhetorical question?
Boy, if you don't get...
I don't know that one there. Question sign. But always get an answer? What the hell is that?
Question sign.
I don't know that one.
One day sticky though.
One day sticky. I say give up.
Give up on that one day.
That's a question. No, that one there. Repeat that one then.
What never asks a question, but always get an answer.
The woman.
Always gets an answer.
Oh, your phone. Phone call.
Phone, me I say no. Phone.
Never get an answer.
Yo,
Guess man. Phone.
Yeah, but you gonna say it, and that's why I'm gonna ask him first, you know.
Phone. Phone call. Phone call?
Yeah, phone, but phone call, yeah.
Alright. Never ask a question. On the hard one. Hold on, watch me now. Never ask a question, I'll get an answer.
Yeah.
The door. Answer the door. You can answer the door. Answer the phone. Yeah.
What never asks a question, but always get an answer?
A woman.
What never asks a question, but always get an answer?
My mommy?
Got it!
What never asks a question, but always get an answer?
My mother.
What 5-letter word becomes shorter when I add 2 letters to it?
What 5-letter word becomes shorter?
When you add 2 letters to it.
Tell me now.
Now you tell me because I ask you what 5-letter words. What 5-letter words become shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
What kind of question? No. I don't know. Like I'm trying so hard.
Repeat the question again. What? What 5-letter word, right?
5-letter word.
Yeah, become shorter when you add 2 letters to it. 2 letters to it.
Short what? What 5-letter word? Which 5-letter word?
Become shorter when you add 2 letters to it.
How come I don't know that?
Me not gonna make me look like idiot right now. So here we are gonna right now. Me don't feel like that even make no sense.
Think about it, man. It makes sense, man.
Repeat that again.
What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
That don't make sense.
What? You don't know. What 5-letter words become shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Sorte.
Eh?
S-O-R-T-E.
Boy, if you don't get...
What? 5 letters become shorter when you add 2 letters to it. Letter?
You don't want to do housework, you don't want to do yard work, and I just want you to stay here just for a little while, maybe.
I don't know, envelope. Short.
Short.
Short. Now catch me with that.
Alright.
Now catch me with that.
Alright.
5-letter word.
No shot, brother. Take man for fool. A home team.
So and can help still.
Short. H-O-R-T. So for E-R to short, it becomes shorter.
Alright, my boss. Big up yourself. Oh, that man get all already, dog. I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
Teeth and can't eat. That's another one then. We can't pass on.
What have teeth but can't eat?
Fish.
You have a teeth I can't eat.
What am I?
Must have fish.
Yes, sir. You ready, my boss?
Yeah.
Alright, just what I see right as man, right as man. Same time.
Same time. Me alone can't have it.
I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
Gums.
Comb. You get that one quick up. Man, I beat all them chest.
A saw.
So.
But can't eat.
Sure.
I
can't sit outside and the breeze rub.
Yeah.
A comb? Yeah!
Comb. I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
Tongue.
Fuck.
No.
Alright. I have teeth but can't eat. What am I?
So if you have teeth and you can't eat, bad man, what sense that make?
I have teeth but can't eat.
What am I? Comb.
Yeah, well, comb.
Oh, some of them know, man, I'm telling you. Enough to be comb. It can be comb, right? But it can be comb, but teeth but can't eat. Yeah, must something else must can't eat. We have teeth, brother.
Teeth but can't eat? Yeah, comb. Yeah.
But him just give the answer. Him just give the answer. I saw.
Comb. May I work with comb? Yeah, comb. Now look like no eat that right now. That matter.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching yet another episode of The Question. I don't know, which is episode 18. And today we are Yui, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed the video. You don't know, like, share, and also subscribe. I'm wanting to check out my remix of Coffee Song when named Toast. Put it up on the post. JPS I come with the force. Buhn call me and say them close. Is a chock full. Wagwan peeps, thanks for watching from episode 13 to 18. And if you're new to the channel, please consider watching from episode 1 to episode 23. Don't watch 1, then watch 6, then watch 9. You get me? So big up on yourself, peeps. Please remember to subscribe, yeah? Like, share, and subscribe, yeah? And subscribe to my vlog channel. Yeah, subscribe to my vlog channel. Link are going in the description and also in the comments. So thanks, peeps. Thanks you very thanks you very much. You know, like when I record, that's the only time I make a mistake. But you know what? I just leave it. So when you hear me mistake and laugh off of me, but everything good. You don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out.